Hi, I'm Tom Tresser. I'm a civic educator and public defender located in Chicago. You're looking at some video of the Hoover Dam. It's located 26 miles from Las Vegas in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River on the border between Nevada and Arizona. It's big. It was started by a conservative Republican president, Coolidge, and it was finished by a liberal Democratic president, Roosevelt, in 1932. The need for the dam trumped partisan politics. It supplies water for over 2 million acres, including the agricultural businesses of the Imperial Valley in California. That cucumber you're munching right now, it's powered by the Hoover Dam. The dam supplies reliable power for over 1.3 million people. The city of Los Angeles would not be possible without the Hoover Dam. It cost about $49 million back in the day, or about $833 million in today's dollars, and that's a great civic bargain. It was the biggest project that the government had ever taken in America. The federal government planned for it and paid for it, but it was built by a consortium of 6 private companies. Over 5,200 men worked on the job at any given time, and over 150 of them lost their lives on the job. Now, why am I bringing up the mighty Hoover Dam in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic public health crisis? Well, it's big. It works. It serves millions, and although it was built by private companies, it was conceived of and paid for by the U.S. government. It belongs to all of us. It's an example of great public. On the flip side, there were no African American men or women of any sort on the job at the time. Projects like the Hoover Dam can only be created by a large central government fueled by a mighty revenue stream, guided by a visionary plan delivered by strong and skillful leaders. Great public. Now, our current public health crisis requires big government dedicated to service, justice, excellence, and speed. Folks, we need big public. We need a healthy dose of great public right now. Private industry cannot and will not supply us with all the supplies, medicines, and protocols that America needs to keep us all safe and healthy. Charities cannot possibly come close to dealing with this global pandemic. And individual states, as resourceful as some are, cannot cope with this huge public health crisis. Only a strong central government acting with all its resources, personnel, and authority can serve us well and equitably. My friends, we need a Hoover Dam level response to COVID-19, and we need it yesterday. This is the first of a series of reports that we're going to call Great Public, and I hope you'll share them widely with your friends and family and enter conversations about this great word which has become debased and misunderstood, and that is the word public. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me at #@TomST and post using the hashtag #MorePublic. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.